So this is my favorite day of the whole year. This is the day where we invite students from all over the county to come here to our office, where we have a ton of new menu items for them to taste and try and tell us if they like it, if they want to see it on the menu next year. Oh, we've got such cool foods this year. We have a Korean meatball on lo mein. We've got cherry blossom chicken over yellow rice. We've got some barbecue hoagies. We've got some breakfast items as well. We're just trying to change the perception. A lot of people think that school lunch is just chicken nuggets and pizza, but it is not in Hillsborough County. We are really trying to dig deep and offer our students a variety of nutritious but forward-thinking and trendy items for all the students in the district.
I think it was good going around getting to see a bunch of new foods. I like the churros over there, they were pretty good, and a lot of the food would be good in the lunch line.
When students get to choose their own food, one, they'll be more happy and cooperative with teachers and stuff, and two, because they have their own food, they're more likely to eat and be healthier.
Student nutrition has come a long way. We have really been working to change the perception of the same old foods, but we also want to have a menu that is representative of our students in the county, because this is where students can tell us, really, is this what they want? Is it what they don't want? And we do ask them, what kinds of things do you want to see for next time as well?